Best camera phone. Looking for a camera phone that can capture great photos and videos without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. In this video, I've picked 5 interesting options for different types of users, from budget-friendly everyday phones to creator-focused choices with better cameras, bigger displays, and useful storage options. I'll break down what each one does well, where it falls short, and who should actually consider buying it. So before you spend your money, stay with me until number 1. You might be surprised which option fits your needs best. Number 5. MIRO C1. If you want a phone mainly for photos, casual video, and everyday use without chasing flagship-level hardware, this one takes a different approach. The MIRO C1 is aimed at budget-conscious users, travelers, or creators who want a secondary camera phone with plenty of storage. Its biggest selling point is the camera setup, a 50-megapixel front camera and a 50-megapixel main rear camera, giving you flexibility for selfies, social content, and everyday photography. You also get 128 gigabytes of built-in storage, with support for expansion up to 256 gigabytes. That matters if you shoot a lot of photos or clips and don't want to constantly delete files to free up space. The 5000 mAh battery is another practical advantage, especially for long days away from a charger. And the 6.56-inch display with a 90 Hz refresh rate gives you a larger, smoother screen for reviewing photos, browsing, and general use. Dual SIM support is useful if you keep work and personal numbers separate, and the listing says it works with AT&T, T-Mobile, and Mint Mobile. The main limitation is video recording, which tops out at 720p at 30 frames per second. So if higher resolution video is a priority, you may want another option. For casual photography, extra storage, and everyday flexibility, the MIRO C1 is worth considering. If you want to check the current price and see the latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 4. MIRO C67. If you want a big screen phone for everyday entertainment without carrying something bulky, the MIRO C67 has a pretty practical balance. This model is best suited for casual users, travelers, students, or anyone who mainly wants calling, messaging, streaming, social media, and basic photography without paying for premium hardware. The 6.75-inch HD Plus display is the main attraction. It gives you more room for videos, browsing, and reading, while the 90 Hz refresh rate should make scrolling feel smoother than a standard 60 Hz screen. Despite that larger display, the phone weighs just 192 grams, so it should still be comfortable for daily carry. Storage is another strong point. You get 64 gigabytes built in, but the phone supports expansion up to 1 terabyte with a memory card. That is useful if you keep lots of photos, movies, music, or downloaded content. For cameras, you get a 13-megapixel rear setup and a 5-megapixel front camera, which are more suited to casual snapshots and video calls than serious mobile photography. The 4900 mAh battery is also designed for everyday use, and the 3.5mm headphone jack is a nice convenience. One limitation is that it is a 4G phone, not a true 5G option. If you want a lightweight large-screen phone with expandable storage and simple everyday features, the MIRO C67 is worth a look. If you want to check the current price and see the latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 3. TELESIN Fun Shot Creator Kit. If you shoot TikToks, selfies, product videos, or Zoom calls with your phone, this kit solves 2 common problems at once: getting a more comfortable grip and improving your lighting. The bundle combines TELESIN's magnetic phone camera grip with the C03 magnetic selfie light. The grip gives your phone a more camera-like feel, and the wireless shutter button lets you take photos without constantly tapping the screen. That can make one-handed shooting, group photos, and quick content creation much easier. The C03 light adds another useful advantage. It attaches magnetically, rotates 360 degrees, and includes a built-in mirror. So you can adjust the lighting angle, check your framing, and improve selfies or talking head videos without carrying a separate lighting setup. Everything uses a magnetic mounting system. It works directly with MagSafe-compatible iPhones and cases, while an included magnetic ring extends compatibility to many Android phones. Both pieces can also be used separately, which gives creators more flexibility depending on the shot. The biggest drawback is simple: this bundle does not include a tripod. So if you want completely hands-free recording, you'll need to add one separately. This kit makes the most sense for mobile creators who want a compact grip and light setup for travel, social content, selfies, and video calls. If you want to check the current price and see the latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. At number 2, this is the option for buyers who want a dependable everyday smartphone with a better display, stronger camera system, and long-term software support. The Galaxy A17 5G features a large 6.7-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED display. That means sharper text, richer visuals, and a more enjoyable experience when watching videos, browsing social media, or video calling. Photography is another major strength. The triple rear camera system includes a 50-megapixel main camera, along with 5 and 2-megapixel cameras, while the 13-megapixel front camera handles selfies and calls. It can also record video in 4K at 30 frames per second, making it much more suitable for higher-resolution content creation. You get 128 gigabytes of internal storage, but the standout feature is expansion support up to 2 terabytes. That gives you plenty of room for photos, videos, apps, and downloaded media. The 5000 mAh battery supports Samsung superfast charging, and the phone also brings 5G connectivity, NFC, IP54 splash and dust resistance, and Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Another big advantage is longevity. Samsung promises 6 generations of operating system updates and 6 years of security updates. The main compromise is the 60 Hz refresh rate, which may feel less fluid than some 90 or 120 Hz alternatives. For buyers who value display quality, cameras, expandable storage, and long-term support, the Galaxy A17 5G is a strong all-around choice. Check the Amazon link in the description for the current price and latest details. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy A16 4G LTE. At number 1, this is a practical choice for buyers who want a large AMOLED display, a capable main camera, and expandable storage without moving into premium phone territory. The Galaxy A16 gives you a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate. That combination means sharper visuals and smoother scrolling for videos, social media, browsing, and everyday apps. The camera setup is another reason it stands out. You get a 50-megapixel main rear camera, additional rear lenses, and a 13-megapixel front camera. For casual photography, family pictures, and everyday content, that gives you more flexibility than a basic single-camera phone. Storage is also practical. There are 128 gigabytes built in, with support for expansion up to 1 terabyte, so you have room for photos, videos, apps, and downloaded media. A 5000 mAh battery handles daily use, and the bundle includes a phone case, which is a useful extra. There is one important catch for US buyers. This is an international 4G model, and the listing says it works in the US only with T-Mobile and certain T-Mobile MVNOs. It also does not support eSIM, and it comes without a manufacturer warranty. So this makes the most sense for compatible T-Mobile users or international buyers who value screen quality, storage, and camera versatility. If you want to check the current price and latest compatibility details, you can find the Amazon link in the description.